up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope all is well. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Today we are going to unbox and fluff my new Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is going to be in the entryway, so I am going to remove the things that I have in there so I can get the area ready for the Christmas tree. Let me give a big warm welcome to all of you who are here for the first time. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos, sometimes a little bit of lifestyle. If you are interested in any of these things, I'm asking you to please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to my beloved returning Glam Squad, you are the best. Thank you so much for all the love and your support. If you have not done so, please do so. Check me out on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou and on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. I also have a home decor store, glamstylehomedecor.com. Link for it will be in the description box. Please check it out. Last year, I told you guys how I wanted to have a super tall Christmas tree in the entryway. I am so excited to tell you guys this year I have a super tall, duper tall, you guys, Christmas tree. I am so excited. It is 12 feet long. This Christmas tree is perfect. It is not too big. It is approximately 60 inches wide at the base, so it is sturdy and wide enough for the height. I got it from Amazon. This is my second Christmas tree that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna let you know what I think about it, just in case if you are thinking of getting a Christmas tree from Amazon. I just locked in the base and I just put the first part of the Christmas tree. I'm going to fluff it first before I put the second part. For me, it is easier to fluff the tree pieces by pieces versus putting everything together. It feels so overwhelmed and sometimes even discouraging because it does take time. It is tedious. I am gonna be doing it little by little until I am done. Basically, when fluffing a tree, you have to touch and open up every single branch. This is the best way to see the fullness, I guess, of the tree and to bring the tree to life. I'm not going to remove my tag on the Christmas tree because it is 5 pieces. I am not used with this Christmas tree yet. I don't want to have problem next year when I have to put it together. It will take me time to figure out which part is which. Instead, I'm going to try to hide the tag when I am decorating the tree. As you are fluffing, you have to step back to look to see what it looks like and then get back to it. Guys, I am a little bit behind with my Christmas decor this year, but get ready, all of my Christmas videos will be coming out back to back. I'm probably going to have 3 to 4 Christmas videos and then the home tour. If you like my videos or my Christmas videos, get ready. All of the videos will be coming out. And also turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload my videos so you don't miss any of my videos. So what is your Christmas theme for this year? Would you like to guess mine? I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna wait for you to find out. But share yours with me in the comment section. I would love to hear yours.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
Here's the tree, guys. After 4 to 5 hours of fluffing, it looks really, really beautiful. It is glamorous, just like I expected. It's huge. It's tall. Oh my goodness. It's a dream come true. So what do you guys think? I cannot wait to show you guys what I did with it. But I want to hear your thought. Let me know what you think. I just want to take a moment to show you some of the new things that I have on the website. If you guys are interested, be sure to check them out. Some of the items can definitely be used for the holiday season. The charges are very affordable, $20 per charger, 4 for $80. And I still have my cyber sale going on, 25% off. Tomorrow will be the last day, so be sure to check that out to take advantage of it. And some beautiful pics for the holiday season.
Is it ever since July? I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Guys, I'm gonna be showing you some dinnerware. They are super duper inexpensive. First set is this one, 16 pieces for only $50. But don't let the price fool you. It is stain and squash resistant. Of course, it is porcelain. The dots are silver and gold. This is another set, 12 pieces for $50 as well. It is a classic red, a perfect one for the holiday season. It is dishwasher safe. These are super fancy, only $12.99 per plate. There are dinner plates, 10.5 inches. These could be dinner plates too, but they are a bit smaller, 8.5 inches. The gold on them is a shiny gold, very fancy. And of course, I have the Baroque style if you want to go extra glam and bougie.
Spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've got
These are new pillows that just added. Also, I have some beautiful mirrors. I love, love, love this one. I cannot wait to show it to you guys on the wall. Look at this one, you guys. Such a unique, beautiful shape. It's another piece. I cannot wait for you guys to see it on the wall. These are so cute, you guys. I love, love them. I am so excited to tell you guys the Piper Thrower is back in stock. This pillow is back in stock. If you are waiting for it, please go check it out. This paper towel holder is back in stock as well. And these flowers are back in stock. And of course, you know, I have some of the most beautiful beddings available on the market. There's a lot more on the website. Please check it out. glamstylehomedecor.com. It was so good to see you today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I love you always. Bye-bye.